Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily enable the closed captions feature on Instagram on iPhone and Android. Do you want to watch Instagram videos without sound or make your content easier to understand? Well, there's a quick way to get it done. Closed captions are especially helpful for people who are deaf or hard of hearing, viewers watching in noisy environments, or anyone scrolling in silent mode. They also make it easier to follow different accents and improve the overall accessibility. Once enabled, captions typically appear directly on the video screen, usually at the bottom, so you can read the spoken words in real time while watching reels, stories, and supported videos. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Instagram app on your iPhone or the Android device. And then you have to hit the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you have to hit the menu button located at the upper right corner of the screen. And then you have to choose settings and activity option if prompted. After that, you have to head over to your app and media section and choose the accessibility option. And finally, you have the option to make Instagram always show closed captions or only show translated closed captions. Now choose the preferred option and you are all set. Going forward, Instagram will show the closed captions on Reels and supported videos. Later, whenever you want to get rid of the closed captions in Instagram, return to the same accessibility section and select Never Show Closed Captions option, and that's about it. This feature is incredibly useful for improving accessibility, helping people with hearing difficulties, supporting viewers in loud places, and allowing anyone to watch content without turning on the sound. Keep in mind that the captions appear right on the video, usually along the bottom of the screen, so you can easily read along as the audio plays. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it to spice up your Instagram time, and I'll catch you up in the next one.